What to do if Instagram deleted your posts. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you what you can do if Instagram deleted your post or if you accidentally delete your post. So first thing what you want to do is simply head over to your profile section and just tap on this three dot hamburger icon at the top right corner, and from here just click on this your activity section, and here you might have accidentally deleted your post, so you can check out your recently deleted button, and from here you can see your post. And just remember that your recently deleted posts are only here for 30 days, so make sure it's not more longer than that. So you can simply tap on it and restore your post from over here. And the second step is simply once again come back to your settings, just like this. And once you're inside here, just check out your archive. You may have accidentally archived your post. If it's showing story archives, simply click on this post archive and you can check out your posts which have been archived. So you can simply click on show on profile to reappear. Make sure it's reappear on your profile so it's no longer on archive. So, and the third thing what you can do is you can actually check out your account status so that you can know whether Instagram has flagged your post or not. So to check your account status, what you need to do is simply click on this hamburger icon once again and just scroll all the way down until you see this more info and support section. Under here you will see account status. Just click on it and make sure you haven't been flagged, so which might be the reason your post is not or been deleted from your Instagram. So, and if you still can't find your post, then what you need to do is the only option is simply click on this help from over here and just click on report a problem and just make sure you report. And from here what you need to do is just explain your problem, that you haven't seen your post, or if you think your post has been deleted by the Instagram for some reason. So just ask them for the verification about your post, and the customer team of the Instagram will support and contact you within 24 hours and follow your instructions just like that. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.